Is your business in Singapore and you're wondering if you can use PayNow to receive payments through Airwallex? That's a question many entrepreneurs are asking, especially as digital payments become the lifeblood of modern commerce. PayNow has revolutionized how we transfer money in Singapore, making it incredibly fast and convenient. But when you're dealing with international payment platforms like Airwallex, a global financial infrastructure, the compatibility isn't always clear. Airwallex is a powerful tool for businesses that operate across borders, allowing you to manage international finances with ease. It offers a range of features, from multi-currency accounts to international transfers and expense cards. The core of Airwallex's value proposition is its ability to streamline global transactions, often at more favorable rates than traditional banks. But how does this global powerhouse integrate with a localized payment solution like PayNow? Let's dive into the specifics. PayNow, as many of you know, is a service that allows instant fund transfers using a mobile number, NRIC/FIN number, or a unique entity number, UEN, for businesses. It's built on a domestic framework, designed for seamless transactions within Singapore's banking system. The key question is whether a platform like Airwallex, which operates on a global scale, has the necessary integration to tap into this domestic network. The short answer is yes, but with a crucial distinction. Airwallex doesn't directly receive PayNow payments in the way a local bank account would. Instead, it works a little differently. When you use your Airwallex account in Singapore, you are essentially given a local SGD account number. This is where the magic happens. You can share this account number with your customers, and they can then use PayNow to send funds to it, just as they would with any other local bank account. The payment, while initiated through PayNow, is routed to your Airwallex account because it has a local presence. This means you can leverage the speed and convenience of PayNow for your customers while enjoying the benefits of Airwallex's global financial ecosystem. So, for all the business owners out there, this is a game changer. You can offer your customers a payment method they are familiar and comfortable with, improving their experience and potentially increasing conversion rates. At the same time, you get to consolidate your funds in an Airwallex account, where you can easily manage different currencies, make international payments, and streamline your business's financial operations. It's the best of both worlds, local convenience and global power. Understanding this integration is key to optimizing your payment strategy. It allows you to present a familiar payment option to your Singapore-based clients while maintaining a centralized and efficient financial hub for your global business. It's about bridging the gap between local payment preferences and international business needs, and Airwallex provides that bridge. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.